Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about installing and setting up your Canon PIXMA MP450 printer software on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and you want to search for Canon PIXMA MP450 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result should say can support for PIXMA MP450. Go ahead and select that. And then you should see the printer over here on the side. Scroll down further and expand the software and driver section. And then scrolling down even further here, underneath my printer, select the download item that corresponds to that download. And then you want to run that file, and it should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, and then you can close out of the web browser, and then select next, select your region, and then country. Agree to the license terms, and then select next. And then once that's done, you should be able to create a shortcut on your desktop if you want. Otherwise, you can uncheck that. Select complete. And that's pretty much all you have to do. If you open up that application, you should see that there are additional settings. So if you need to still diagnose and connect to your printer, you can select that option on this utility and then walk through the on-screen directions of connecting it successfully to your computer or laptop. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.